enormous by parrot standards, nearly 2 feet long and weighing up to 9 pounds. Its feathers are soft, green, and dotted with black speckles, perfect camouflage among the mosses of New Zealand. But appearance is only half the story. The Kakapo is nocturnal, walks through the forest instead of flying, and climbs trees like a fluffy mountaineer. Males hold real acoustic concerts. Deep bass booms can travel up to 3 miles, sounding like a distant drum. The problem is that the bird is trusting and slow. Today, the Kakapo is one of the rarest birds on Earth, and every individual is literally known to scientists by name. If you imagine a bird that has decided to ignore every standard of beauty, you get something like the Greater Adjutant. Huge, with a massive beak and an almost bald head, it looks as though it stepped out of a post-apocalyptic landscape. But behind that appearance is a crucial role. It is a cleanup specialist, processing waste, carrion, and everything else others avoid. Its throat pouch hangs like some strange accessory, and its gait is slow and assured, as if it knows that without it, things here would fall apart fast. It lives close to people, on dumps and in cities, and that creates a strange paradox. We produce the chaos, and it clears it away.